After assembling your snowblower, check to ensure your auger cable is firmly bolted to the bracket in place. If the cable is loose or not attached, please take the following steps to properly secure and adjust the auger cable tension. Unscrew the outside nut on the auger cable bracket and slide onto the bare cable. Holding the guide, pull the auger cable back and insert the bolt into the opening in the bracket. Hand tighten the bracket side nut to keep the auger cable taut and in place. Hand tighten the other nut onto the bracket bolt to hold in place more firmly. Tighten the bolts with a wrench to hold the auger cable guide firmly in place. Press and release the auger control handle to make sure the cable remains taut and the handle remains a continuous tension from the cable. If the handle is too loose and the cable is still loose, remove the belt cover by removing the bolts on either side of the cover and lifting off. Check to see the cable is running along the cable roller. Check to make sure the end of the cable and tension spring are attached in place. If the cable is still a little loose, adjust the tension by tightening the turnbuckle on the auger cable. Finally, replace the belt cover and secure in place with the two bolts.